Yo, what's up guys, and welcome to Fun Experiments for Kids. And we are going to be doing elephant toothpaste. So you will need a measuring cup, dish soap, hydrogen peroxide, food coloring, yeast, a funnel, and a cylinder. So first we need to put hydrogen dioxide inside this and in the cup. We need to have a full cup of hydrogen dioxide in this
Be careful.
in this cup.
Yeah. Yeah. You put this.
Okay, and then we need the funnel on top of it, and then we pour it. And then we're gonna do two big soap drops into the cylinder.
More. More. Yeah.
And then we put the food coloring on the yeast. And then we put water in it, and then we mix it.
Hopefully it works, guys. Because we were running out of the
And then we put it into the the cylinder.
Yeah, we did it!